Okay, this strategy here, I'm using the real money up on here, but I'm only using $1 positions. So every time you get it right, then it will come to $1.92 because it's giving you 92% of that dollar. Okay, so I'm just putting this at 12. Right now I'm starting at $12.11. And I always advise to start off small. This is at 5 seconds. And I could change this right here by clicking on this and see which ones are giving 92% because you get the most out of it. Okay, so this is real. So what I'm doing here is, say right in this situation here where there's a red coming down, okay, I see this red right here is also going up. So we're going into a green wave where it's the momentum is starting to move up. So when a red comes, I wait till the red stops. And then as soon as the green starts to form, I get in on the green. Okay. And so that's the main thing with that right there. So now if we're in the red zone, when the green pops up some, and then I'm waiting for that red to show up, and then I get in on the red. So I'm just going to let you see, by knowing where you at here determines what type of flow you have. Right here, this is definitely a green flow, as you can see. Okay. And I'm going to let it play here. I'll let you just see. And again, this is the real time here. It's at 10:53 and around there. Because with this screen, with this here, it does, on the real cam, it is more faster, it is more swifter, so you have to be able to counter the speed that the real chart has here. Okay. And right now you can still see right there we're going into the green zone there. You know, see the red's trying to pull up, and then now you're starting to get the greens. So in a situation like that, what I would do is wait till maybe something throws red, bounce down, and I'll be knowing that the green gonna push back up kind of hard there. But I'm also seeing right here, see if it's crossing down here, then most likely the red most likely is gonna go down, so it's not gonna be a strong green. Or I might get in right there, and then see if it's gonna push up. Let's see, that one right there would have been a win right there. So we just let it play out so you can see it. Okay, I'm in right there. And now you see I got that one win right there. Okay. Now you're seeing what zone we in. We're kind of in the red zone, but it's trying to push up to the green zone right there. We're trying to cross MACD. And I don't have enough there to where I lost. Okay. 2 wins, 1 loss. 1 win, 1. Now that's another win right there. See, I lost this one, but then I was able to get in on that one when it did really cross over to the green zone. So now as it's in the green zone, I'll wait till the red finish what it's going to do. And I'm anticipating that the green will show up pretty soon. So I got in right there. And sure enough, the green did push through, and I got through. And right now we're still in the green zone here. Green pressure. It's going to look like it's trying to turn down. Okay, so I got in up there. That one failed. Okay. So the one thing about it, and then now you're going to be failing some, but then you're going to be winning some, but the majority is going to be a win. So that's the whole purpose of this right here. Yes, some of these you pick, it's going to be wrong. And even right now, see, it might not look like a lot right there, but that's 1379 from where we started from. And that means we were gaining. Even in that little bit of time there, using the $1, we were gaining. You know, and over here again, while we're in there, that's another gain. So now we then are at 1471. And you can only imagine if these were higher positions, it would still be same as effective, you know. Okay. Alrighty, and so right there is at 1471. But that's mainly what it is. You're not getting in. Most people, when they see the red, like build it in, they jump in to get red, and that's how you get stumped out. Let the red finish what it's going to do. At some point, the green going to start, boom, jump in on a green. But also, you do kind of want to know what's going on over here, because if it's going down in the red zone, that means that green going to be real short, and then it's going to go back into the reds. So what you really should be doing right here, when this red line, I call this the mid line right here, even though you can't see it. See how some candles are, some momentum is hanging green up here, red down here. That means this is an invisible line there where momentum hangs from the bottom, and sometimes momentum push up from the top. This right here is the red line that's coming down past the mid line, and you start to see candles hanging down. It's headed towards the red zone. So in a situation right there, I would probably wait till a green push up, and then as it's finishing, and then I get in on that red, because it's getting red pressure. It's all about knowing where the pressure is, just like right over here. See how it crosses the MACD? And then look all these greens as it's pushing. And then you're going to have some reds in there, so red bounce down, but still wait to see if it's going to push up in green. Boom, look at it, pushed up in green again. Here's another red here. It bounced down there and pushed up in green again there.